Hey, welcome back to our show, Restoration Revelations. It's all about building those Chevelles and the hot rod shop that I have been owned and been running for the last 8 years. Part of our deal is we actually sell some cars. So we sell 1 or 2 cars a week. It's not a big, huge part of it, but we put them in all the right places on the internet. Hemmings, Auto Trader, ClassicCars.com. Sometimes we'll put them on eBay. You get those beautiful cars out there for the whole world to see. And you don't got to be a magician to teach people about what a good car is or a bad car is. So when cars come in, we evaluate them completely, and about 8 out of 10, we won't even sell. The reason is, I don't want to be responsible for something that I just don't feel is a good quality piece. So if you see it on our website or our place, it's going to be a good car, or I can tell you every issue that's going on with that car so you can fix it yourself. You got to know what you're getting. Wow, what a concept. You know, we don't believe in so many things these days. What do you believe is the truth? Well, what we try real hard to do here, what I try to do running this business, is making sure that you get a good quality car, or at least you know the facts of what it's going to cost you to have a really good quality car. It should be fun, right? So yes, building the Chevelles is cool. We got that going this week, but today we actually got some people coming in from Michigan. Yeah, from Michigan, that are actually interested in buying this 65 Mustang. Nice, clean car, convertible, A-code. That means it has a 4-barrel carburetor and a V8 from the factory. All right, let's go take a look at that. Man, it's just a cool car. Wait till you see what I'm gonna do to it. It ain't even fast yet, baby. I feel like I've known you guys like a long time. I don't know what it is.
I think it's something to do with the other together.
Yeah, right. Well, there's 2 problems. Karen broke my window.
No, that's my window.
Karen broke her window and stole my whiskey barrel. So I'll show you the whiskey barrel.
I did do that.
But we got another whiskey barrel for you. Exactly. So I'll get that, but it's been really fun.
Yeah.
I'm glad. Okay, cool. It's fun to just meet these guys. It's kind of cool. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Big deal. I don't know what it was about these 2, but they just seem like nice people, and somehow they talked me out of one of my whiskey barrels to sell the car. I don't even get it. It's cool. I think it's cool. These are genuine Jack Daniels, Lynchburg, Tennessee whiskey barrels. I think I'm gonna have her at least take a ride out, like put, you know, she could be like prom queen, you know, like on the there. Hi. Oh, you know when you get the shopping cart that makes that noise when you're in the. Hold on. How about that? Oh, stop. Thank you, God. I don't know how they talked me out of my whiskey barrel. I'm so perplexed. We're gonna have to ask Karen to do a couple modeling poses, you know, whatever girls do. Car. She already named it Daisy. And you got the Duke. She makes it look, there you go, wonderful.
It's not the same.
It's definitely not the same. These guys were great. Brian and Karen came in as customers and they left as friends. I can't believe she actually named the car before she got here. You don't think her heart was set on that beauty, do you? They drove a long way. You know, I've never had a customer come from a long distance and not actually buy the car. You know why? I tell them everything. Why would I want somebody to take a long trip and not get a cool car? You know, I've heard those stories. You ain't getting that in this shop. Man, that was fun. Load them up, drive it home. See you later, Miss Daisy. Text me when you guys get home.
You're just going to open the door and stick your hand and roll the window. Oh, that's why you jacking it up.
That would have been me.
I was waiting for you to jacking it up. No, you just open the door.
Nicely done.
That part
I'll lock it and leave the keys in. All right. Oh,
I got a spare set.
Now we deliver the whiskey barrel. I tried it, but my jack wasn't broken from whiskey.
Thank
Sure,
you.
my pleasure.
So if you ever get up our way,
I
come
will.
and
Yeah,
have a drink with us.
We're coming to Michigan.
I know.
Let us know.
Car lifestyle, right? We're actually enjoying the cars. Actually, I just got a call. A guy is over at my other building or something here. I have an old dune buggy, and he saw it on one of the YouTube things, and he's like, "That's my car. I built it." So I think he's headed that way now. Let's go see if he's actually. Is that it?
Yep.
For sure.
Yeah. Well, it's got a pressure distance switch in it, like I thought.
Right.
And if you look here, I had used the hood latch from a car to keep this closed.
Oh yeah. I was wondering why that never worked.
I'm sure it did one time.
Yeah, look at it. One time I was gonna sell it at that price, but since it was his, I ain't sell that price.
Yeah. But yeah, that's it. That's beautiful.
Isn't that cute?
I can't believe how good the paint looks still on it. Had the interior done, rewired it, rebuilt the engine. You know, it was a basket case when I bought it. Somebody had already cut the chassis.
He said he put this in here. That's the
Yeah.
interesting.
That's pretty cool. See,
Isn't
got
it?
the same steel wheels and tires that I put on it. Everything's
Oh, really?
Yeah, I had to put those on there when I built it. Yeah.
What are the odds of that?
Yeah.
It's a cool little ride. Honestly.
Yes. Well, I'm going to be building another one,
Cool.
and actually probably going to be an argument again. Yeah.
Can you believe she names the car? Well, her husband goes, "Don't tell him you named the car already." Daisy. That's her car. Awesome people. And then the cat shows up to actually look at and say, in one of our videos, he sees my old dune buggy. It's like, "That's my car." And it was his car. Crazy. Right? Anyways, I want to go back to the car sales thing for a minute. We do consignment cars. We offer these cars that are available. We go through them in detail. The difference between us and an auction is an auction, it's buyer beware. When you come to us, it's world beware, because I'm going to tell you, if you're selling that car, exactly what's wrong with that car, and what we need to do if you want me to sell it. And if you don't fix it, I tell the buyers. And if that's not cool, I won't have anything to do with it. Does that make sense? This gorgeous one is going to Canada. Such a pretty car. One of the first ones we built. Off she goes. Now, off I go to the Chevelle. Nice, neat, clean, orderly. Nice set of, look at it. Isn't that beautiful? When I opened up this box yesterday, it was filled with peanuts and peanut shells, and everywhere in here, because he eat peanuts, just throwing them out.
You give them the peanuts.
Well, you don't put them in your box. Yeah, look at this. So now I've kicked them to the cart. Come on.
He's just hungry.
Well, I do feed him. I only pay him in peanuts, so I guess it does work.
The man's got to eat.
It's got to work. You don't know where your tools are. You can't.
If you don't got nourishment, you can't pick up a tool.
I need you to approve the table routing ones, they're masterful ones.
Why do I should get tax credit for them.
It says deal with
Oh,
your
wait a second.
situation and make
Is
a
this
nice
another universal kit?
job. Yes.
Universal parking brake. This?
Use the word universe.
It is.
It's your
true.
problem. It's the one
That-
you got an issue with.
It's the one I got a problem with. It's like, just design it for the car. They make it universal, and I like the wood, don't get me wrong, but
Universal is good, but not always.
what they're saying is, the wires are long enough, hook it up to your brake thing, go figure it out. You know what I should have done?
Bought a Toyota Camry.
No.
I feel another change coming on.
Well, why don't you just show me your mad skill and do the best you can, and then show me what we're doing.
Okay, I got you.
You know what I mean?
I've done that before for you.
I know, then I change it.
Whatever. Unbelievable.
You like that now, right?
I do.
And whose idea was it?
Idea what?
Staying out of it.
What happened?
I know it looks like he's the smart one in the bunch. It does, look at him.
I gotta have direction and management. This is not my car.
Alright, I gotta go. I gotta get to work. You must be Andy.
Thanks, Harry.
I gotta show you his cool car. He's got the Black Pearl and an LT4 that we're gonna be building. So
I
excited.
might change the name on it when you're all finished.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think?
It's a secret for now.
Okay, all right.
Oh man, that is beautiful.
Right?
That's what we were looking for, right?
Uh-huh. Those are the headliner?
Yeah.
It's like the haunted headliner.
Oh
might have to find somebody to do some work on it for me.
I know, I think I can do that. Yeah, the thing's clean, isn't it? Well, I'm glad that you had a chance to stop in.
Yeah, this is overwhelming.
Right? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, it's cool. That paint is just beautiful on the Scotch.
That's the glass? Mm-hmm. Awesome.
I know, right? It's just like McDonald's. You ordered it, it's like Burger King. You said, I want black ones. I'll tell you, I was really blessed that we were able to find that car that quick. It was like, because you and I had only gone back and forth for like a week.
You're right.
Right?
Yeah.
You know, he's like, I want a black one. I'm like, oh, dude.
Well, you did your work.
Yeah, now I got a lot
Now
more.
it's even worse though. Now it's real. I can see it. So now I just can't wait to drive it.
Right?
Cannot wait.
What's nice is he's taller than I am, so I know exactly where to set the seat up and where to put that comfortable ride. Cool. All right, we are gonna head to the other building. See you, Murphy. Leaving the keys in your car? That's how you leave a key in a car, man. You just put it right there in the trunk, especially when we're working on it. That way we won't lose it. It's pretty cool, huh? Watch Jeff. Guy's a goof.
So every morning I come in, Dave's complaining about Jeff because he locked his keys in his trunk. He's called 2 locksmiths. They can't get in the trunk. So I told Jeff I'll go with him at lunch and we'll get in the trunk. He's got 2 sets of keys in the trunk.
You know who G.I. Jeff is? He's the guy that built the table. He's the guy that auditioned for us on the F-85.
Well, I locked not only my 63 set of keys in the trunk of my car, I also locked my 2005 set of keys in the trunk of my car. So I'm, dead in the water. You live and you learn.
Well, what did you learn?
I need to make a spare set of keys and not to lock them in the trunk of my car.
There you go. That's something to learn.
Harry, back up. He lost the exact same set of keys in the snow a month ago. And so that's my only key I have for all my different vehicles.
Oh, so it takes more than once for you to learn.
Yeah, I guess
Exactly.
so.
Because I told him that you need to go make keys. And he didn't do it. This is where it got him.
3rd time's a charm for me, I guess.
Where's your car been?
At the Ace Hardware parking lot.
Been there 3 days and now you're offering solutions?
If you're going, I wasn't offering to fix it. I offered to help you because you wanted to go out. I didn't offer to fix it.
I'm offering ideas.
As long as
Who wants to help the kids around here? Come on, Bill, let's go.
grab the dead puller, Pete. Grab the dead puller. Brian's got one.
Oh, you carry tools in your car too? Well, I carry mine in the trunk, but again, I can't get to it, so what am I supposed to do?
Hey, but I got my keys.
He told me to grab a handle so that way, because how long the trunk is, just in case we go through the back seat, so I can just reach all the way in there with the grabber and grab it.
You good with these tools, Pete?
Let's start.
How many employees does it take to get keys out of a trunk?
We need one more.
I'm having a great time.
I think he's already making progress. Oh yeah, you guys are moving.
We're in.
Oh, yeah.
It's a
Okay.
flat panel. You guys are...
Yeah, I told you it's 61. Find one for 63.
I got it.
Look at this.
I can hear him jingling. Yay!
Look at that.
Wade's Pizza for everybody!
Open the door.
Now, the first thing I'm going to do is go make a spare set of keys.
Hey Kyle, thanks for supervising.
Always a pleasure.
You just here for good looks?
There you go.
You get a slice of pizza. You get a slice of pizza. You get a slice of pizza.
What did you learn though? What are you doing?
It's the most important thing to have spare sets of keys. The more, the merrier.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, success.
There you go.
Good job, team.
Beautiful man.
It's a lot of parts you got to buy to actually put one of these Chevelles together. So, working on the chassis for Mr. Conrad, going together quite nicely with all the modifications we made on the first one. We got it much more figured out this time. It's actually going to get real smooth. The aftermarket parts try to, no, these things all line up and they're doing exactly what they're supposed to do. Please, Lord, no rework again. Hey, speaking of, you know, doing it again, take a look at this flashback. Punk and Jeff with his Mustang. That was fun.
Going to Union Grove, see if I can break into the 13s. Might be the last time you all see me. Might have a tragic accident, you never know.
I'll see you in heaven, though.
Okay.
Hey, Murph. You know, we're gonna punk Jeff.
That's it.
Look how happy he is. I quit! Woohoo!
Got my juice.
Ooh, let's listen to this bad boy. Start up!
Well, this is how I gap my plugs. Butter knife.
A, B, and C?
A, B, and C.
Well, I'm gonna guess A is about 24 thousandths. 28. Oh, got him up by 4 thousandths. Fire in the hole! What the heck?
That's never happened.
Come on! No, Jeff, don't put it. He's gonna kill me. Jeff, quit it! What's wrong with this thing?
I knew something was up. My car never
He's gonna have a great day! Don't mess, like, messing with his car is like messing with his woman.
I knew this car never ever did that. 5 years I've been driving. Pops off like that.
What a good day I had you. That's what we do, right? Gotta have some fun with them. I didn't want him to flood it out. I was worried he was gonna get pissed. But we did learn something. A butter knife can also be a gapping tool for spark plugs. Always an educational time here at Studio Hot Rods. Yeah. Hey, it's been a good week, huh? I'm glad you guys like, subscribe, follow along. We are going to continue to build these bad boys, and you will, come hell or high water, next week, hear that one running and driving. I'm pushing it. Oh, yeah.